Hey you guys, if you all like to see how I got this super soft and defined half up, half down wash and go, my first since I cut my hair last year, just stay tuned. I'm going to show you exactly how I got it using Groveda hair solutions. So to style my hair today, I'm going to be using Groveda hair solutions. So this is the Aloe Rose Hair Milk Day Leave-In Conditioner, and that is the Aloe Rose Curlastic Brulee. I'm starting off with dry hair. I think I washed my hair like the night before. So what I'm showing you here is me splitting my hair in half to get started on the half up, half down. And since, like I said, I'm starting off with dry hair, I have to wet it and detangle it and whatnot before actually applying product. So that's what you see me doing right here, dampening it with my spray bottle and combing it out with my comb. So after combing out the other side, I'm going in with this Aloe Rose Hair Milk Day Leave-In Conditioner, and I'm just going to spray that all over my hair. This product it's like it has a consistency, but it's not thick at all, but it's very moisturizing, and these products smell so good, y'all, like literally delicious. That's always my favorite thing about using Groveda. But as you can tell, you can see it literally moisturizing my hair. Then this is me applying it on the other side and working it in. And now I'm starting to work my hair upwards. Since it is a half up, half down, it's just easier to work it up before, you start putting gel and stuff on it. So that's what you see me doing right here. For my gel, I'm using this Eco Style Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil Gel. This is my first time using it, and you see I'm applying it, obviously. And I must say, this product does not have any hold whatsoever, not much at all. The olive oil one is so much better, so I'm gonna just try to use it. Maybe it's best for washing goes, like that type of hold, I don't know. But as you saw, I brushed my hair up with my hard bristle brush, and now I'm putting in my ponytail holder, and that's how it's looking. And although the hold is not perfect, it did slick it up. It's just not like a strong hold. I don't know. But let's get started on the back half. So I'm going to wet and comb out both halves of my hair in the back before I get started applying the products. Take a moment to acknowledge this growth, okay? It's been almost a year and a half since my big chop, and my hair has grown out so much, and I just love it. I love it so much. So since the back is now detangled, I am getting ready to moisturize my hair. So for the moisture process, I'm going to start off with splitting that back half in half and dampen this first section, and then brush it out, and then I think I'm going to do it to the other side. I don't know, but then you're going to see me go in with the Day Leave-In Conditioner. See right here, yeah, I already did the other side, combed it out, and now I'm spraying that in, spraying it where my hair, I know my hair gets dry, the ends, the nape of my neck, making sure to get in the middle, all up in it, because it's a very moisturizing product, but it's not heavy. And yeah, you see me doing it right here on the other side. Product is actually really hydrating. Like, look at my hair, like the curls look good, and with it being such a light product, you would not think it packs as much moisture as it does, but it does. But right here you see me going in with the Curlastic Brulee, and this is a gel. It's like a gel, a jelly, a custard, you know, whatever, but it's lightweight, and you just see me working that in, and I'm like shaking my hair to, I don't know, it's a thing that you can do to like activate your curls. I don't really know how to explain it, but yeah, you see me brushing it through, and it just, see, I'm doing it again, it just kind of like shakes the curls to activate them. I don't know, I hope that makes sense, but yeah. And after I feel like I've got the product worked through pretty well, I'm going to go in with my comb and comb out the little part that's in the back just so it can look more seamless. And now you see me getting started with the second half, spraying this day leave-in conditioner, working it through. Then I'm going to go in with the Curlastic Brulee and work that through. And yeah, just get my curls looking right. Again, once I get this section nice and moisturized, I'm going to go in again with my comb and comb out where the part is to get it looking right. But you can just tell from this little viewpoint that you have that the back already look good and it's very moisturized. But now lastly, you're going to see me do the top, this little ponytail, get this nice and moisturized. And I'm just going to be quiet and let y'all watch the process, because I done explained the whole back half. Y'all can see what I'm doing on the very top. Right, so after that, look at these curls. The curls are curling, the curls are popping. But now you're gonna see me you're gonna see me get ready to do my baby hairs, and I'm just gonna kind of speed by this. I do a swoop motion, and just kind of hold it down while I get it laid in place, if that makes sense. I do my baby hairs so much, they pretty much, it's not hard for me to do at all. But yeah, I'm just gonna let y'all watch me do it. Once my edges are laid in place, I'm going to get my little oil mix and put a decent amount in my hand and scrunch it into my hair to seal in all my moisture. Once that's done, this is kind of a little spin around. The curls, my hair, it looks really good. It looks really hydrated. And I just knew from this point that this was going to be a bomb wash and go. But yeah. My hair looks really good. I haven't did a wash and go in a very long time. I haven't styled my hair like this in so long. I can't even tell you the last time. The last time I styled my hair like this was probably the beginning of last year, and my hair has literally grown so much. It's been 16 months since my big chop, and my hair has grown so much, and I can finally do my half up, half down that I love. Hopefully it looks right when it dries. Quick review. Basically, I enjoyed both of these. I have not used these since my hair was I don't even know. Probably before I bleached my hair was the last time I used Groveda. I can't even remember. So I posted an unboxing of both of these products a little while, well, a long while ago, and I told y'all that they changed the formula of this Aloe Rose Curlastic Brulee. Definitely a different experience using this product versus how it looked before when it was like a white, like cream gel. This is a gel, y'all. Like, it's a creamy gel, I guess you would say, but it's definitely a gel, and it definitely gave my hair some hold. My hair looks good whether, no matter what I use, honestly. Like, it don't gotta be no gel, but I know it's gonna be popping. And you know, this Aloe Rose Hair Milk Day Leave-In Conditioner was very softening. So we'll see how my hair looks in the morning. And yeah, so see y'all in the morning. So this is my hair right after that clip, pretty much. Gonna do a spin around so you can really get the viewage of my hair. I actually didn't come back to film my outro until day 3, so I'm also going to show you day 2 as well. On day 2, y'all, I had so much shrinkage. The curls are literally popping. My hair looks so juicy, but my hair shrunk so much. I was not expecting this. I'm happy that my hair is healthy. That's why it looks like this. It looks really good. But yeah, shrunk so much. It didn't come out exactly how I thought, but it's popping though. Like, it looked good, period. And then this is day 3. Y'all gonna see me in a minute, but this is day 3. As you can tell, I got a nice little stretch to my hair. I slept with my hair in a pineapple, so it gave me a really good stretch. I'm gonna get into that in a minute, but yeah, this is day 3. Okay, y'all, so this is the final look for my wash and go. Yesterday I did not like sit down and film a formal like clip. I have like another clip. My hair shrunk up a lot, but last night, I think this is day 3 technically. Last night I slept with my hair in a pineapple, which is something I haven't done since my hair was long, y'all. It gave my hair a nice stretch, and I really like it now because it really shrunk like all the way up. But now it's kind of touching me, and I like that because at first it wasn't. I did want to say that, but I want to kind of be quiet and do a slight spin around. I hope y'all saw my hair. For this clip, I'm going to include another spin around so y'all can see how it's looking. But that's it. That's how I got this look. That's how this look looks. And yeah, my curls are popping. I have not used Groveda in a long while, but I am now reminded why I used to love them and why I still love Groveda. I don't know if I mentioned this throughout the whole voiceover or not. I did have a discount code. I think it still works. It's going to be linked down below. It's always linked down below. Also, their Instagram, Facebook, website, and again, my discount. All linked down below if you're interested. But that's it for this video. Give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, share this video with a friend, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.